got a donut man. We've got someone selling sailboats. We've got some kind of meat. We've got cotton candy apple, inner tubes, some kind of Mexican food over there. All going on at the same time. There's bracelets over there. There's a man selling wooden fish that are flashlight. There's a man selling, what are you selling?
¿Wanna buy these hombres?